Naggisa na nga pala tayo mga tol ng sardinas. May sobra kasi akong sardinas dyan, kaya ginisa ko na lang. Tapos saka natin ilagay yung ating gulay. Ilunod lang muna natin mga tol yung gabi. Nilagyan ko siya ng maraming sabaw kasi yung gabi matigas yan. Sakto na bawas-bawasan yung sabaw is lalambot din yung gabi. Nilagay ko na nga pala mga tol yung okra. Hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo mga tol nung nilagyan ko siya ng asin. Kasi nahirapan akong kumuha ng video. Medyo bad mood ako ngayon mga tol. Kaya medyo hindi maganda yung pagkuha natin ng video. Hindi ko alam kung masarap ba yung pagkagulay natin ngayon. Kasi na bad mood ako. Luto na mga tol yung ating gulay. Ewan ko anong tawag dito na gulay na to kasi ginisang sinabaw to eh. Ginisang sinabaw. Pagtanggal to sa bad moods. Pagtanggal sa bad mood mga tol kasi bad mood ako ngayon. Sarap. Sarap mga tol. Ito yung gusto ko mga tol, medyo malapot-lapot. Yung hindi masobrang malapot. Yung medyo malapot-lapot lang. Hello mga tol, at kakain lang tayo. Naluto na po yung ulam natin. Ito na yung kinuha kong ulam. Sabay nyo akong kumain mga tol. Natamlay ako ngayon kasi napagod ako sa trabaho. Kasi ang daming deliver. Naiinis ako sa traffic. Parang gusto ko na magpark sa gitna ng kalsada. Sabay nyo akong kumain. Gabi yung ulam natin mga tol. Gabi, sitaw at saka okra. Ang tawag namin sa Mindanao sa mga tol is karlang. Iba din yung tinatawag namin gabi. Dito sa kanila, ang gabi at saka karlang is isa lang, pareho lang. Saan dahil hindi. Sarap pa rin naman mga tol.
Yeah.
Wala pa rin siya sarap. Kasi bad mood ako ng logo eh. Sana mga tol, pagtapos natin kumain eh mawala lang yung natin, yung tamlay, yung panghihina. Gulay dito mga tol. Ito niluto ko ng karampot lang. Ang halaga nila nasa sa 70 pesos. Hindi ko na nga ito nilagyan ng gabi, ng kalabasa. So pag nagdagan ko ng kalabasa, kukulangin ako sa pera kong dala. Yung sangkat ito mga tol, sibuyas lang. Masih sarap. Yun lang. Iwan ang bawang. Wala na maraming Ricardo. Kasi kung dadan nga natin yung Ricardo, mapapamahal tayo. Kung sana kung meron sari-sari, yung nakabalot na, 30 lang yun. Ito na. Ito wala pang palaya.
slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.
Lakas kong kumain mga tol, pero di man lang ako tumataba.
But there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Maraming salamat mga tol sa panonood ng ating video. At huwag kalimutang mag-like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell at mag-comment kayo sa baba. Maraming salamat mga tol sa panonood ng ating video.
Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen.